This is a ASUS U38DT laptop. Can I open it or do I leave it closed? Let's try to see whether we can unscrew it. This is the precision tool kit which you can buy from Mr. DIY for about RM 5 ringgit 30 cents only. Well, looks like so far so good. We are able to unscrew it, so let's continue. As you can see, this screw is so tiny, so don't lose it. Okay, now since all the screw has been taken out, let's try to pry open this casing, but reminder to do it gently. So we are going to take out the hard disk now, but as you can see, the hard disk has really taken out because I forgot to shoot this video just now. So actually the hard disk is here, and it is blocked by these two, holder here. So here, as you can see, we can take out the screw, but over here is blocked by the battery, so we need to remove the battery. So let's go ahead to remove the battery screws. Okay, since the screw has been removed, let's try gently to loosen the battery. So as you can see, now that this thing has been removed, once we remove this screw here, we can already take out the hard disk. And that's how you open this laptop. So now we'll fix it back, and that's it. Well, it looks like we managed to open this laptop and take out the hard disk. So now let's fix it back. As you know, the screws are so tiny, so don't lose any one in the process. One final last screw and we are done. Alright, so this is ASUS U38DT. Okay, I guess that's about it. See you in the next chapter.